What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back home in Dubai. We had a good time in Delhi. We didn't have much time visiting a lot of places in Delhi. The reason why we were not able to go out is because my mother-in-law was not feeling well from the day we arrived. The worst part is it was a birthday on the next day where we wanted to celebrate, and it was my birthday on August 10th where we want to celebrate as well. So we wanted to keep it in the middle so we can celebrate together, but we didn't want to do it because mom was not feeling well first of all, and she was in the hospital for a very long time. Now she's fine. So I didn't celebrate my birthday because she was still sick, but at that moment she was back home. I said no, I'm not going to celebrate, but we really spent a lot of valuable time at home with Smita's nephew, with Smita's father, brother, sister-in-law, and Smita's friends. And one place I went alone, which was the India Gate for the Independence Day preparation. So today is a different vlog. First of all, before I start my vlog, wish all the Muslim people in this world a happy Eid Mubarak. May Allah bless you guys with everything you all wish, everything you all ask for. May all your dreams come true. Today is a very special day for all my Muslim brothers, sisters around the globe. So since we are here in UAE, and you know, it's a Muslim country, it's going to be a big time celebration. We wanted to go to a place where it's happening. So since today's Eid in UAE, they have a huge amount of fireworks in few places in UAE, starting from 21st, 22nd, 23rd in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and in Sharjah. I'm not sure about Sharjah, but I'm sure about Abu Dhabi, which is in Yas Island, and in Dubai it is in Festival City, SEEF, Al Reef. I'm not sure what. My wife will give you the information for regarding this. But yes, today we are going for the first day of Eid for the fireworks. I hope you guys stay with us till the end. Watch the most expensive fireworks which is going to happen today. So I'm going to take you guys to show you, and I'm going to capture it for my vlog. So me, my wife and my son are ready to go. And if you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe, comment and share if you like. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon so that you get notified on the next vlog. So let's get started. Yo, what's up guys? We are here in SEEF Mall or walk.
Mall. That's SEEF, that's it.
Walk side?
Waterfront side, you can say.
It's waterfront side, which is correctly opposite the British Embassy. We are here to check out the fireworks. This place is amazing. You should really come to this place. We are super excited. This is the first time being here, and the lights, and it looks a very traditional place. Look at the background, you can see it. It looks very traditional. So we are at one part of the place. We have a long way to go to check out the fireworks. So come, let's go. By the way guys, look at the dinner cruise right on the other side. It's blurred when
These are restaurants inside the boats, I think.
a very nice place. We're reaching to the place where it's going to have the fireworks. So let's see how it goes. Hey! You want to get this soon. The same outfit, right? Oof, guys, it's extremely hot. Trust me, this weather, it's extremely hot, but the place is superb. We loved the fireworks. Let me reach the car and I'll give you all the information. Hey guys, first of all, I like to thank the UAE government for organizing this fireworks. This was the closest firework event we were, sir?
We've seen, yeah.
We have seen. We were very close, and literally we were thinking that it's going to drop, the fire sticks are going to drop on top of us. It was jam-packed, it was crowded, it was humidity, it was the hot breeze. My son was cranking. My wife was like, you know, he has to go back to the shelter because she's worried about my son. So everything went on well. Sachi mein yaar, this is a beautiful location. It's called the SEEF. It's just opposite the British Embassy, and you have the dinner cruise there. You have, it's basically in Dubai, Dubai Greek.
Dubai Greek.
Really, trust me, this place, you guys, when the weather is, when the heat is going low, you all should come with your family. It's a very Asian place. We were thinking that we are like Aladdin and what's Aladdin's girlfriend?
I don't know.
Okay, Aladdin's girlfriend, and he looks like Abu. Okay, Aladdin and his girlfriend Jasmine. This is a beautiful moment. I was not able to really stand much there because it was totally crowded. I did much of how much I could vlog. I vlogged. The main part why we came here is because of the fireworks. Finally we captured it. I'm super happy. Now we are in the car. We are about to leave home. So that's the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if you guys missed any of my vlogs for the last 1 week, which was from Delhi, the India Gate, sound of the rain, the Garden of Five Senses, and then the trip from Dubai to Delhi. The first trip with my son, we traveled to Delhi. It was a beautiful trip. That vlog was also right down in the description below. So have a look, and I will see you guys most probably very soon. We might cover the, which is one tomorrow, Jan, which is in? Festival City. We're not sure about that, but we might cover it on the Festival City, or we might cover it for the Sharjah fireworks. By the way, this fireworks is happening for the next 3 days, 21, 22 and 23. And if you're in Dubai, go check out this place, which is the Al Reef Festival City, and one is in JBR Beach. JBR Beach, it's going to be more massive, no Jan? The reason why we didn't go to JBR Beach is because it's crowded, the traffic is huge, and coming out of that and going inside JBR, it's very difficult. So that's the reason why we didn't go to JBR. So we found the closest place. We didn't know about this place. We were super happy seeing this place. It looks like the Arabian adventures when you know walking. It's really nice, guys. You should check out this place. So thank you so much. Oh, sorry. So thank you so much.
Just mention that also there are a lot of restaurants and coffee shops and vegan and all that stuff, so people can really...
Yes, there's a lot of restaurants and coffee shops in this area, so you don't need to worry. Even they have a lot of supermarkets. One supermarket. If you like to buy water bottle, chips packets, they have a supermarket. Unfortunately, we asked one security. He said there was no supermarket, but then we went to another supermarket. So that's the wrong information, but I'm giving you the right information. They have restaurants, they have coffee shops, they have one supermarket. So if you guys need to ice cream parlors, free ice creams, a lot of games, activities, family games, they have a DJ there, they have a dance floor, which Zumba
looks like Zumba.
Yeah, looks like Zumba. So everything was there. It's a full pack entertainment place. Exactly, see, he likes it. He's saying yes, it's a beautiful place. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching. See you soon on the next vlog. Peace.